You want to start off by doing a foundation chain, and you want to make sure that it is an odd number. It could be any size you like as long as it's an odd number. For this tutorial here, I'm going to be doing a chain of 15. All the way down, down. Okay. Once I have chained 15, you're going to do a double crochet on the third chain from the hook. And again, a double crochet in each single stitch, in each single chain, until you reach the end of that row, which will be our first row. Once you've done a double crochet in each stitch, you're going to chain 3, turn your work, and start row 2. Now, here's where the fun begins. So you're going to do a double crochet in the front post. And then you're going to do a double crochet now in the back post. So each of those double crochets we did in that first row are going to be our posts. And you're going to be alternating. So front post, back post, front post, back post. So double crochet in each post, alternating all the way to the end. Once you get to the end, you're going to just make a double crochet, chain 3. And now we repeat. So the post that was in the front in the row before, now it's going to be a back post double crochet. And the back post double crochet from the row before now is going to be a front post double crochet. Sometimes it gets tricky at the beginning, so I like to stretch my work out and really see my hook, make sure I'm grabbing the post correctly. So again, if you see that the next post that you're going to work on is a front post, then you want to make it a back post double crochet. If you see that it's a back post double crochet, then you want to make it a front post double crochet. Always doing the opposite and alternating all the way through. Now I'm going to do another row with you guys so you could see it. Because as you form more rows, you get to see the pattern better. That back post. Now I'm going to double crochet in the front post. That front post. Now I'm going to double crochet in the back. And just alternating. Please be sure to give my video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I promise that I'm working very hard to get better at these tutorials. I want to do tutorials in a manner that it's easy, that's understanding, that will help you guys be able to crochet and we can make projects together. It's really what I want to do. I want to make sure that everyone has a fun, easy learning experience with crocheting. So let's finish this row here. Again, alternating, front post, back post, front post, back post. This is really a beautiful stitch. Wait till you see the finished product. It has a lot of texture. It feels very luxe. I like it a lot. I've used this to make blankets, and I've used this stitch also to make a bikini top, which I have to feature that tutorial. I really like that bikini, how it came out with all the texturing. This stitch would probably look great on a cardigan or a sweater as well. So this is all about double crochet. It's just knowing how to make sure that you grab the post to do the double crochet. And just alternating back and forth. Okay, so now you're almost reaching the end. You want to make sure that you don't skip or miss out on any post. Sometimes I like to, like I said, stretch my work as I go and make sure that I have a clear image of the post that I'm grabbing onto. And now for the last stitch, see, when you reach that end, you're just going to make a double crochet, which is the chain 3 that we did in the row prior. So you do a double crochet there, and if you want to continue, you make chain 3, turn your work, and just keep doing as many rows as you'd like. But look how beautiful that is. Thank you for watching again another of my tutorials. See you next time.